Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the little zetec replica Fiesta. Say morning, it's not morning, it's now the afternoon. I've had a few hours on this, sorting this out. I flatted down the rear quarter, we had a few ripples down the end, I skimmed a little bit there and up the top. I had a ding in the arch here, and this was a little bit rippled where we've had to uncrimp it from the other car and then back onto this car. What else have I been doing? Sorting out the join down here. I've got to put a skim of dolphin glaze in here and up here to finalise all of this and make this bit don't matter because the window's over all that, but you need that bit there looking nice and that corner there. The top bit I've done, someone's revving outside again. This bit's all alright, matches up with the other bit. The inside of the window there is going to be fine. So yeah, we're getting there. Not posted a video for a few days. I've been sorting loads of things out with a new unit and trying to get things organised. It's going to be a bit up in the air for a little bit. But I've really got to get this sorted out this weekend. I'm not going to have time to finish this today, but I will get it all prepped and sort of ready to go. I'd like to get in primer today, but I haven't got long left. It's nearly 4 o'clock now, so I'll probably prime it in the morning, but I want to finish all the last little bits up, so when we do prime it, it'll be fine and it'll look well. I've got to weld the underneath bit of the seal. We've still not done that. I'm going to do that in a mo. What I want to do is get a skim of dolphin glaze around here and over them joints. Dolphin glaze is like a finishing putty for those of you that don't know what that is. Once you're finished using your filler, you use a bit of dolphin glaze afterwards and it flows out. There's a lot more resins in it and stuff. It sort of self-levels, if that makes sense. And it's easy to sand down, so we're going to do that now, get some of that on there, and then we'll get it on axle stands and weld up the underneath bit of the seal as well. I want to get that done today and all. It's not going to be much action today, but I thought I'd do a little video, film the rest of what I'm doing, so you guys have got something to watch, and yeah, I don't feel as bad. See you in a bit. There we go, that's dolphin glaze. Comes in a little squidgy packet like that, and that is what it looks like. That's the consistency. It's like very liquid, but it's not, if that makes sense. There's loads and loads of sort of resin in it, and it sort of self-levels and flows out. Loads of you know what that is and use it, and loads of you don't. Some people weigh their hardener, some people measure it and what have you. For what I use as a general rule of thumb is one line of hardener across what I'm using, and that's pretty much how I mix my hardener on most of my fillers, to be honest, and give that a good mix, and that's pretty much all you need. Very hard to hold a camera and do this one-handed, but that's as simple as that gets. And we can go and smash it on. Got to mix it a little bit more than that, but I'm trying to do this one-handed. Loads of different people mix filler in a different way. What I've always found is squidging it like so. Doesn't trap air bubbles in your product. If you suffer from lots of air bubbles in your filler, it's probably to do with how you're mixing it. But yeah, press it into the board. But yeah, let's go get some of this on. See you in a mo.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up and think
have it. It's all welded up. Ground them down under there. Don't have to look pretty here. It's all seams, see that? All stone chip going under here. So I didn't go crazy with cleaning that up. But that's all welded back on now. Got a bit of gear on now. I've leant on it like a plonker. I had to like brush it with my glove, but yeah, I'll block all that down, make that look alright tomorrow. So that's about all I'm getting done today. It's about 6 o'clock now. You're probably going to have a late upload tonight. I've got to finish editing all this as well. That's cooled down. I've been here, I stopped about an hour ago, I think. Well, no, it might have been a bit less, but yeah, I've made sure everything's all cooled down, and I'm sort of happy that that'll be fine now. Yeah, that's it from me today, I'm afraid. It's only a sort of little one, but tomorrow we'll break the back of it tomorrow. I'll get cracking and get me head into gear. I've got a lot going on, so yeah, we'll sort it tomorrow. And as always, massive thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon for the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.